Hello everyone, I'm your host Tushar Gupta and I welcome you to my YouTube channel The Tech Job. During the lockdown, a video meeting app known as Zoom has become quite popular around the world because most of the employees are doing their work from home and schools are providing online classes to the students. At the same time, the government has pointed out that the application is vulnerable to cyber attacks and the leakage of confidential information to the others. Today, I'll tell you some safe applications which are alternatives to Zoom application so that no one can get access to your private details. So watch this video till the end and I hope you will extract most out of it. If you end up liking this video, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more updates. Also share this video with your friends and provide your feedback in the comment section down below. So let's get started. The Ministry of Home Affairs has warned the users of Zoom app that the application is not safe when it comes to video conferencing. The government has also issued guidelines after receiving many complaints about the instances of leaked passwords and hackers hijacking the video calls. So let's jump on to our first alternative to Zoom app. Meet Now in Skype can allow users to set up a collaboration very easily and invite Skype contacts as well as those who do not have an account. The participants can join the meetings very easily whether they are a Skype user or not. This application can store meetings for up to 30 days. One can also share the work materials, designs and presentations in a conference call. The main highlighting feature of this application is that it can blur the background before entering the call. Microsoft Time is one of the well-recognized applications through which we can talk to others privately or through specified channels. This application allows up to 250 members at a time. Meetings can also be scheduled with the help of Times app and through Outlook. It is a part of Microsoft ecosystem and offers video conferencing features. Webex is the video conferencing application that has been around since the 90s. In the year 2007, it was acquired by Cisco. It is mainly known as the business application, which mainly focuses on providing its services to the companies. Its free version allows up to 100 participants and unlimited timing for each meeting. Our fourth application on the list is Starleaf, which can create easy and quick video conferencing. This app is mainly used by the large companies through which the maximum of 20 participants can do a video conferencing for 46 minutes. However, it is currently offering its basic video feature and messaging product free of cost. The next application on the list is Jitsi, which is a set of open source project and allow users to build a secure video conferencing solution. Maximum of 75 participants can meet virtually and do video meetings. It also integrates Google Calendar, Office 365 and Slack. Whereby is considered as a flexible tool which is used to provide video meetings. As this is a free version, you will be limited to some features as compared to those which are listed here. The free version of this app allows the maximum of 4 participants at a time along with the ability to lock the room. This app also offers a pro version which comes up with $9.99 and offers up to 12 participants. Hangouts can be used for video conferencing for up to 10 participants. However, if you want to have voice conversation, then 150 participants are allowed. Since there are no additional features, this application is limited to small companies. You can also add messages and share screens with this application. Our last application on the list is FaceTime from the famous company Apple. If all the participants are using Apple products, then there's nothing more stable and secure than FaceTime. According to Apple, FaceTime uses end-to-end encryption, so this application will be very helpful in video conferencing and video meetings.